There are many things that kind of stuck in my memory as I got older, and one of them was, I remember coming home one day and we were going to go into one of the kids' teepees with his parents, and the mother said, "Take those shoes off, they'll make you sick." Why she would say they would make you sick, well, I wouldn't have had a clue at that time.
It turns out that today, we Americans don't spend a whole lot of time grounding. That may have something to do with our love of shoes. Tell me about your relationship with your feet and shoes.
I wear them. My shoes? I love shoes.
Oh my God.
It's more of an addiction.
Yeah.
Pretty much need them for everything. So you want to stub your toe everywhere.
It's like your shoes kind of represent you. I feel anyway.
Yeah, you gotta get the shoes first, and then that matches the outfit that's gonna go with it. You can never just, it's not clothes first then shoes later. It's shoes first then clothes.
Yeah.
That's like my biggest thing. I stub my toe every day.
How many pairs do you think you have?
I think of Doc Martens alone, I have 10.
Oh God, no.
Maybe 10, but only a few pairs that I like.
I'd say 50 or 60 pairs of shoes.
Have you guys ever heard of grounding?
No.
No.
What is that?
Do I know much about grounding? Yeah, I have 2 kids. Yeah, I ground them all the time.
Grounding?
Oh, it's like spiritually, like
Connected?
becoming like more grounded and connected to the earth.
There are some people who think that walking barefoot could bring some health benefits. What do you think of that?
I agree but disagree.
I don't know. That's a load of baloney. I don't know.
Like when you go barefoot and you like touch like the warm sand or you go like to the ocean, it just like feels like better. Like your body like feels more calm or something.
I think the benefit, if we could, would give me personally more of like a connection to my life, to all the life around me, you know what I mean?
Now that you think of it, I mean, when I go barefoot maybe at my house or something, it feels nice.
Maybe that's the stint that we have, is things that we don't even recognize like shoes in the first place.
Do you feel like more people could benefit from being grounded?
Oh, for sure. Absolutely. It's healthy. It's healthy. It's natural.
I actually got yelled at a lot by my parents because I would try to go barefoot everywhere, even in the snow.
Barefoot's like, for me, I just don't feel comfortable, I guess you can say. But like, I don't know, it's just not really my trend.
Oh, I went through a mall barefoot because my shoes broke.
She loves to try to sleep with the shoes on. I'm like, shoes off the bed.
What helps you get grounded?
Good shoes.
But shoes haven't always been such a big part of our culture.
This is so incredible. This is Nobel Prize material.
Basically, what we're trying to demonstrate, what we're going to demonstrate here is to show that when you stand barefoot on the earth and you touch the earth, that your body is conductive. And what this is basically a continuity meter. So what I'm going to do is plug it into the earth, like so. And I'm going to put my hand on it, and you can see, or my finger on the back of it, you can see that the light turns green, and that means that I'm grounded. To illustrate this, Sam here is wearing a pair of tennis shoes, and when he puts it on, turns it on, you can see that he's not grounded. But because I am grounded, I am barefoot on the earth, when I touch Sam, he is naturally grounded.
From Atlanta, Fulton County.
But one objective.
December 7th, 9th.
Like many great discoveries, Clint Ober stumbled onto grounding as a result of an unusual sequence of events.
I got involved in the cable industry in the early 60s. I first learned the need to ground cable signals as we were developing the industry. When you run a wire into the house, before you can go into the house, you have to ground the cable. Grounding is to maintain the entire system in a stable electrical environment. I mean, you have miles of wire hanging up there in the air. If there's lightning in the air, it's going to hit the cable And so what you want to do is create a path to ground for the lightning so that it doesn't enter the house or blow up the TV or create a fire. So any electrical event is maintained at Earth potential, automatically equalized with the Earth and eliminated, neutralized.
Clint had a background in the cable TV industry, and he knew that cables that come to your home with TV programs have to be grounded. If they're not, two things can happen. You get snow on the screen, the picture is terrible, and the other is you get a knock on the door from the Federal Communications Commission because the signal is disturbing aircraft communication. It leaks into the environment.
Just as ungrounded signals wreak havoc on radio communications, there's growing concern that because we are not grounded, we absorb tremendous amounts of electromagnetic radiation from our modern devices. EMF stands for electromagnetic field.
We are all immersed in electromagnetic fields, from Wi-Fi, from the wiring in our homes, and it disturbs our electrical balance. We get charged. Inside of our bodies, we get electrically charged. Some people have as much as 20 volts on their bodies, and that's not good for you.
But in our natural state, the Earth has a built-in system to ground our bodies.
Unbeknownst to us, we live inside a battery. The surface of the Earth is charged negatively, and the ionosphere, which is a layer of the atmosphere about 60 miles up, which is ionized by the sun, meaning that the rays of the sun are so strong that they split the molecules into a positive charge and a negative charge.
The sun spews out electrons. They come to the Earth, they hit the ionosphere, they charge the ionosphere, and periodically the ionosphere releases lots of electrons. It's called lightning.
The negative charge are transferred to the surface of the Earth through lightning mainly, and the positive charge stay 60 miles up.
The surface of the Earth is electrically conductive. And wherever you are, standing barefoot on the Earth or connected to the Earth, you are collecting electrons that came from the sun.
The problem arises when we don't have negative charge. We need grounding just as we need air and we need sunshine.